Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. I always try to do videos that are practical things that can help you guys out. And what I want to talk to you today about is what I like to call medical notes. And I've seen a lot of sick people in my time. I've seen a lot of injuries. I've had to take a lot of people to the doctor. Um, and for a long time, I've made notes, both mental notes and physical notes, wrote stuff down when people were sick with different ailments. I always wrote down, what the symptoms were, what evidence the doctors looked for, how they diagnosed things, and what they used to treat those things, and how effective those treatments were. I've made quite extensive notes over these things over the years for my friends and family that I've had to take to the doctor. And because, if the world goes south, most likely the people we're going to have to take care of first are going to be our friends and family. So if there's chronic things, or if there's things that they've been sick with before in the past, you got a benchmark there to try to help those folks out. But what do you do if you haven't been doing that for 10 or 15 years like I've been doing? The next best thing, in my opinion, is make sure that you have hard copies of all your medical records for yourself and your family. Because nowadays you go to one doctor, and that doctor can pull up all your information on these electronic systems. But what if those electronic systems aren't there, or those diagnostic tools aren't available post collapse for whatever reason? If you had an MRI, like 2 years ago, that told you everything that was wrong with you, it'd be a good idea to keep a hard copy of that radiological report with your important paperwork and your important notes, because there might not be an MRI in the future. So at least you've got a base mark to go by of some of your personal ailments, whatever they may be. But this is just something that I wanted to talk to you guys about. It's real simple. I've never heard anybody talk about keeping their copy of their medical records inside their preps. So this is just something that I wanted to talk about. And like I said, if you go to the doctor, you're taking friends to the doctor, make notes of what those symptoms are, and what they use to treat those ailments, and how they went about helping with injuries, and what the follow-ups were, and that kind of stuff. Make notes of that stuff, because I'll tell you what, that can be very, very valuable in the future. So anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate you guys watching my videos out there. Hope you guys are getting something out of it. You guys take care now.